What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have some very important news regarding the vaccine, regarding stocks that are rising, stocks that are dipping, my current position on Alibaba, which I'm planning to cut. Make sure you guys like this video for more free content. Also, our chat is down below, first link in the description, completely free. Leaving a like, subscribing, also commenting your positions really helps this channel and continues and allows me to make free videos for you guys. So yes, Alibaba is still, we are down just $100, only 10 shares at an average price of 268. We expected a bounce. We didn't get any decent solid bounce on the 4-hour. This to me, guys, is screaming. It just looks like a descending triangle. It is a descending triangle. And tomorrow, if we hit sub 257, which where I have my alerts, I'm out. I'm selling, and I'll probably just dip by cheaper later. But like I said, on the 4-hour, this is literally hanging off the cliff. Still rejected off EMA, way under SMA. And from the looks of it, guys, we see probably another support level around the 250s, which is a $0.50 mark. So even on the daily, SMA is right around 239, so another dip probably makes sense. And we have not seen any movement. And on the 5-minute, we see lower highs, which is not good. Like I said, sub 257, I am out. So Moderna mRNA released some news today. Where's the notes at? We have our little sticky notes. They released a vaccine that's 94% effective based on their ongoing studies. That's comparing to Pfizer, which last week announced their vaccine around 90% effective, which is which is not much of a difference. And hopefully by the end of the year, they're supposed to have 20 million doses, compared to, I'm not actually too sure how many Pfizer will have, but if they get FDA approved together, I think there should be like 60 million by the end of the year. Also, this caused the market to, I'm not a buyer, I'm off mRNA, by the way, here at 98. If we see a breakout past 100 tomorrow, possibly you can see maybe the 102, 103. It doesn't really appeal me too much based on the daily. I think I'd be chasing it up here if I'm being quite honest. I think there's more potential for it to pull back than for me to profit off of this one. But let's pull this one up. The Dow's literally knocking on 30K. So as for any positions, I don't think I'll be trading anything too heavy this week. I'm waiting for a pullback on some of the stocks, because even on the 4-hour, guys, as you guys may even know of Tesla, it's been boring. Look at this. There's not really too much going on. A lot of sideways action on the 4-hour. As you can see, we have our $400 marker there, because that level is going to be crucial. And I'm getting some Alibaba pattern vibes on this one. A potential down pullback under 400 will probably leave us around the 380s, retesting that 4-hour. And one stock that did very well bouncing off the 4-hour, which we missed, long gone, is Boeing. Look at this bounce off the 4-hour at 145. That would have been a very decent play, but we did not execute on this one. And with the vaccine news, there's light at the end of the tunnel. There's hope. It's already above 200. Now, for even as Carnival Cruise Lines as well as it's rebounding off that SMA here, and on the daily, it's had a very decent move up, touching the SMA here. Probably wait for these to pull back. I don't like chasing these up here in the 18s. Let's take a look at stocks the stay-at-home stocks. I think I have my alerts, as you can see here. I think they could come lower. I don't think that reaction today really kicked in. I think they've just been very beat, and they're finding some support, just trading sideways. I think a lot of people are just waiting to see which ways are these three stocks that I'm going to be talking about, which way are they going to go. Pelaton, on the 4-hour. You can see that resistance here around 100. It's almost deciding, am I going to hold at 100, or am I just going to sink and hold probably 290s, or is it going to just break above EMA and retest that SMA here on 112? I'm just going to wait. Netflix, another one that I have my alert set right around here. You can see on the 4-hour, we got rejected here at the EMA. Just a lot of sideways action, nothing too crazy going on. Can we see another pullback to 464? Let's see if it bounces off that support. But I'm glad we didn't even chase this up here at, or this initial spike here at 515 when they had that news out, and then it pulled back once again. Had another rally with the first vaccine that Pfizer came out with, and then we pulled back again. So see, this is why I'm patiently waiting. Which one is the other one? Zoom on the 4-hour. Again, this one's rejected. A lot of them got rejected here at the EMA. Just a lot of sideways action. pulling back to its previous initial support here on the 365s. Have my next support level here, I think, which will probably on the 350s. But based off its previous action, I don't think the 350s will hold decently. Maybe we could see the $300 mark. Let's go take a look at the daily. Could possibly come down to like 320s. Apple, another one sideways. Not a lot going on. Pull up closer on the 5 minutes. Just too much sideways action, guys. I'm gonna be waiting patiently on these. I think we could come down. Let's see at least the 115s. That's what I'm gonna be patiently waiting on. And to end this video, gotta keep this one short for you guys. Neo, which I kind of like that it bounced off the EMA very strongly, which we predicted. Very, very strong on the EMA. Am I a buyer? Although I like this here around the $44 mark, I potentially wouldn't even chase this, guys. I think we could still see some resistance around 50. But like I said, I'm waiting for the 30s and 35s. Right around here is where I think it'd be a decent, reasonable pullback for Neo. I'm not a chaser up here, especially last week, since I saw a lot of people buying at 53. I saw screenshots of you guys. I'm not you, people in the chat, but other people on other threads holding a ton of shares, calls right around the $53 dollar mark, and it just shows a loss. So never chase it up here. I mean, this looks way overextended. I'd like it better down here at 35s. So on the 5 minute, it's holding well 41, but I think we could retest that $41 mark. So we'll see. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys like this, once again, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Take care.